Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to lock your Facebook profile in 2025 so that your only friends can see your full size photos, your posts and your details. So in order to do it, you need to simply log in into your Facebook account in your Facebook application or your web browser. Now, once you are over here, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on your profile name. Now, once you are in your profile page, you need to just scroll down and click on the three dots over here. After clicking on three dots, you need to just scroll down and click on the option of lock profile. After clicking on lock profiles, you need to click on lock your profile again, and Facebook will show you what locking does. So like hiding your posts from the known friends, restricting the profile pictures, and also limiting your story viewers. So after clicking on the uh, lock your profile option, you need to simply confirm it, and there you go, you have successfully locked your profile. You will get a message saying that your profile is now logged and only your friends can see your timeline, your full size photos and your story highlights. Public can still see your name and your profile photo, but that's all they can do it. So if you want to make changes into it, you need to come on this page again and you can unlock your profile from here. If lock profile isn't visible, your country might not supporting it, so you can manually change it in the privacy settings. And you need to go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, go to settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, go to your profile privacy. There you will see the option if you don't see it over here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.